Hello, I'm Richard with EV4U Custom Conversions, and today we're going to do a little different video. We're not going to talk about conversions, but we're going to talk about something that you could do while you're waiting for your EV components to arrive, or if you're sitting at home because of the coronavirus. Whatever the case may be, if you're like me, you like to be busy all the time. And so today we're going to show you a little project you can do with just stuff that's laying around the house. Myself, this is all stuff that was laying around, and so we thought we'd share this with you. And if you don't have all these components, they're easy to acquire on the internet. And so we're only going to use 5 components right here. We're going to have an enclosure box. We're going to have a power cord. We're going to have an outlet, a duplex, a photo cell, and a double pole, double throw relay that has a 110 volt AC coil. So what are we doing with those components? Well, we're going to build this thing. And what this is a photoelectric switch. So we've got our outlet, our duplex here. This is our enclosure, our power cord, and we have a photoelectric switch right here. And then inside the box we have a little relay like this. Double pole, double throw with, because we're in the US, this is a 110 volt AC coil in this relay. And so what do we get with all this? Well, what this is going to do is that it's a photoelectric switch, like I said, but here's what's different. Most photoelectric switches will turn something on at night and then off during the day. So like a security light or lighting of some sort, that type of thing. Okay? But what this one does, it does that, and it also will turn things on during the day and off at night. So say you have a little water feature, a little fountain or waterfall or something, and you can't see it at night, or perhaps you don't view it at night, so why run it at night? So using this, you could run that at night, or during the day and off at night, and then you could have some lighting come on at night that goes off during the day. And it's all done using just this one device. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it wired up so that one of these plugs, say the top one, provides power during the day but not at night, and the bottom one provides power at night but not during the day. So we've got both options in one small little container device right here. Okay? So those are the components. Like I said, I personally had all those laying around, and the key to all this, of course, is the schematic. So let's take a look at how we wire this up. It's quite simple, and like I said, hopefully it's something you have the components on hand to do. If not, hopefully Amazon can get them to you kind of quickly. So let's take a look at the schematic. Here's our schematic. So looking at the schematic, here's our power cord going in, labeled with our neutral, ground, and hot leads. And that's going to go to our photoelectric cell. The photoelectric cell has 3 wires coming out of it. One is your line in, one is the neutral, and the other is the load. So the line in is your hot, this is your neutral, and the load will go to the coil on the relay. Relay here is triggered by the photoelectric cell. Getting power from the hot, which is switched through the photoelectric cell, and then you have your neutral on the other side of that coil. So that's the coil. And then your duplex here, your outlets, you'll see, of course, the neutral common tie there. You have the neutral comes from the plug over here, over to here, neutral, 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 okay? The hot side is going to be switched by the relay. See, the hot comes off from our plug, comes over here to the commons on the relay. And then one side is going to connect to the normally closed, and the other side of the relay here is going to hook to a normally open. So during the day, one of these will be closed, and we'll have power to one side of the switch. When our photoelectric cell is triggered, this is going to activate our relay, and then the normally open one would then be closed, and then this one will be open. So then it's going to have power come over here to the night on one. Just very simple. So in one state of the relay, one of these will be on, in the other state, the other one would be on. Note that we're going to have both our outlets grounded as well as the case or box would be grounded also. And that is achieved through the third prong, the ground wire of our plug. So the photoelectric switch is triggered by light. So it's in one state, you know, when it's dark, and it's in the other when it has light on that cell. So when using this, you'd want to place your little box with the cell pointed towards the sun. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video and a quick little project. All of that fits into this little box because all that's in here is that little photo cell and that relay and the duplex. And it all fits in here. This is a weather enclosure box, a little weather seal there on our gland net. Makes it for a very versatile little project, and we'll try to come up with some others if we have the time and opportunity to do so. Just wanted to share this with you, give you something to do if you have any spare time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.